quickest of unboxings, latest pickup. Another pickup, I recently copped a beanie from the boy Kai. If you don't know who Kai is, Kai Bentley, one of three brothers, the Bentley brothers, sons of Cecily, world famous Iron Chef. But Kai is also a YouTuber, quote unquote influencer, pretty cool guy. I'm a big fan of his YouTube videos when he does upload. The same for his brothers, all have YouTube channels, so be sure to check those out. But Kai has his own sort of clothing brand. I won't call him much, I feel like it's more of a clothing brand. He's taking it quite seriously. Called Strawberry Jams. Regular drops. This is one of the pieces from the most recent drop. There was a hoodie, I think water bottles as well. So let's get into it. In terms of pricing, I paid $66.42, so around just under £50, and delivery was 1 to 2 weeks, so a decent service. Here we have it. Just your simple. I don't know what this like so design is called, where it's just like one plain. There's no sort of like no sort of second layer to it, no sort of rib. It's your plain black. I believe it's wool. Black beanie. Where I'm based in the UK, it's always called. So it's a nice simple black beanie with your strawberry detailing there. I don't know what this means, but it looks kind of cool. And hopefully this keeps me warm, because in the UK it's hella cold. But yeah, that's literally it, to be honest. I'll throw some shots of me wearing it, and then that'll be it for the video. But a very quick one today, black beanie.